I've made a lot of easy money, and I've certainly made a lot of hard money, and I've even lost money. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you where you shouldn't be looking for money, and I'm going to share with you where you should be. First of all, stop only looking for easy money, because I'm going to tell you right now, some people out there have this mindset that the only money that they can go after is the easy stuff. But you need to understand that the majority of the easy money is associated with Ponzi schemes, lies, dishonesty, lack of integrity. The opportunities are not sustainable. Some of them can work, you can make a lot of money. Ultimately, if you want to be really successful, you've got to stop looking for the cheap, easy money, because the reality is often it just doesn't pan out. And how many times do you have to hurt yourself and relationships, other people, before you start to realize, you know what, the only kind of money I really want to make is the good money, is the right money, is the dependable money. So I want to tell you right now, I want to introduce a different filter. The filter shouldn't be how easy or how hard it is. The filter should be how right is it? Like, what is the money that feels right for you to make? What is within your realm of possibility? What is within your purpose? What is within the realm of something that you like and something that you enjoy doing? What is within the realm of something that you can back, something that you believe in? Those are the filters that I think are more important, because what they do is they cultivate a sustainable, persistent character. Someone that's willing to stay in the game on a long-term basis until it pans out. Now, that might mean that some money you make in life is hard, and that might mean that some money you make in life is easy. I'll share with you some of the easier ones at the end, but you should run it through this filter of, am I willing to pay the price to learn it, to understand it, to get it, and to do something with it that is of great value to the world? So take a look for a moment at what I do, for example. I'll give you two extremes. On the one hand, I do something like real estate. It's long-term, there's nothing short-term. I rarely engage in a flip. Most of my deals pay me 15, 20, 25, 30% a year on my money. It's a fabulous return, and the more years I'm in it and the more it compounds, the better it is. But guess what? That's like a lifelong plan. 4.5 years in, I was financially free, so you can certainly do it a lot faster. But if you take a look at the other hand, I have, for example, like playing with blockchain, ICOs, playing with Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, things like that. I've made a lot of money on those as well, but you got to be careful on that. There's a lot of garbage out there. There's a lot of crap coins. There's a lot of pump and dumping. There's people that are selling securities and they're doing it the wrong way. And then there are those that are doing it the right way. So I play in that arena because I do like making fast, easy, quick money, as long as it is good and reputable. And guess what? Some of the things that allow me to judge it that way come from the long-term play that I have on my other real estate arena. Bottom line is you need some experience. There are a lot of suckers born every day. You ever wondered why the bank gives you a sucker on the way out? It's because they're taking your money and they're making a lot of money with it, and they're giving you back like 0.0 nothing%, right? Well, the reality is, how do you stop being a sucker? Wisdom, time, learning, growth. But if you want to go through that way faster, you need a mentor. If you're really interested in making quick money, then you should seek help from someone that has a track record and has done it. What I generally look for in a mentor is someone who's done it 10 times bigger than me already, 100 times bigger than me already, and they can show me the way. They know what it looks like. They've already been there. They've done that. Ultimately, if you want to go fast, because I'm not telling you in this video that you can't go fast. I'm just saying that you got to keep it legit. I'm saying that you've got to get a mentor. I'm saying that you got to look for track record. And once you have those things in place, yeah, a lot of these things go really, really fast. Thanks for watching today. If you come over to my website, you're going to see options for some things that I do that are like crazy fast. You're going to see some other options that are steady and for the long term. And a good, healthy combination of both of those has worked super, super well for me. If you want access to elite investments that exist in the world today and do super well for you and your family, then check out the website, see some of the things that I do. And if there's something there that'll be useful for you, I'm happy to engage you and help you get to the top.